Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 118. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jiyan right now. Sister Wei, she really caught her on the act. If you catch her, then you can say that Dayuan is good. Right now, Jian, she seems to be overjoyed. Sister Wei. Jian was calling Sister Wei and said to her like a promise, I will definitely catch up with her. So, did she really want to become a good actress like Akshu achieved in the past? But when I caught up with Teacher Jing, in the future, there'll be more things for you to worry about, sister. Jian said, I promise you, oh, this girl. She really won't back down. From now on, even if something's related to Akshu, I will surely communicate with you more promptly. Try to be more tougher about it. But Jishing Yu still the exceptions and variable to everything I do. Oh, this girl, of course. She will always prioritize Akshu. But things gotta be changed. Can you accept such a partner? Oh, it turns out she was asking Sister Wei if she can accept being partner with Akshu. Sister Wei suddenly stopped. She looked at her. Well, probably it was not really surprising. She really liked Akshu, but right now, of course, Sister Wei said, sugar is not bad. Oh, she was pertaining to the candy she gave her earlier, and it's like a bribe to her. But right now, hearing this, looking at Jian, she looks really happy that Sister Wei finally agrees, allows her to be with Akshu. But of course, she need to tell her everything, not to lie her again. I am in California. It's raining in Paris. Take care of yourself. Jian said, work goes well. Well, definitely. Now she's having a long distance relationship with Akshu, and Akshu was still there. From time to time, she was busy on work, trying to catch up with Akshu. She continued to get busy and work hard to be able to stand by her side. Of course, she was meeting everyone. A lot of person needs to be met. Also, she had a lot of things to learn more. But it was good that she was really persistent and also she is patient. Even though there's a lot of things can happen, to keep herself intact, she can do socializing. Also, she really want to work hard to be able to achieve what Akshu already achieved before. Public appearance and shooting. Jiyan, she became busy on fast days. It seems that she is tireless. Continue to work to please everyone. After a long work, finally, it was a night, but looking at Jiyan, she was really exhausted of the busy working schedule, even though she promised that she will definitely catch up with Akshu. Right now, her body. Tomorrow is the day you have appointment with Director Gu Lingfeng to audition for Sunflower in the night. Pick you up in 8 in the morning. Sister Wei said to her, but look at her. She looks really shaky. There's also a year-end ceremony later. Sister Wei continued to speak with her. Run party? Well, definitely. Sister Wei doesn't know that Jian is gonna fall down. When she looked back, besides, seeing Jian was going fall down on the floor. Well, this is really terrifying and also it was really serious matter. For now, Jian, she wake up in the hospital. Well, definitely she was feel sick. Looking at her face, seems that she really feels uncomfortable, especially right now. She was lying on the bed, but suddenly she realized that she's patting her head. Even though she really want to catch up with Akshu, she don't need to overwork herself. This is a bad thing and she can really pay for the price. Sister Wei, right now, are you awake? Sister Wei, I am. Jian said to Sister Wei. But right now, even though she got hospitalized, Jian, you must really rest for a while. You have been too tired recently. The doctor said you have not enough rest. When he was sent me last night, he's still running a high fever. The fever just subsided this morning. You should sleep a little longer. Right now, Jian seems to be worried. Look at her, she suddenly said. What about the audition? Oh, this girl, even though she was sick, she's still thinking about the work. Well, of course, she promised her something. Right now, she don't want to break her promise. She seems to be eager on passing the audition. Well, she was really motivated to be able to catch up on Akshu, but her body's getting weaker, so let's hope. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.